Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 11X 5G. So on the front you can see the image of the phone, on this side Mi 11X, and at the back specifications of the phone are mentioned. So quickly we'll open the box. So first of all you can see this lid. Inside this lid we have SIM ejector tool and documentation like user guide. Next you get a silicone protective cover which will protect your phone from any harm. In addition, you will get USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. Here we have the Xiaomi Mi 11X 5G. It gets a 20 megapixel selfie shooting lens on the front, which promises detailed images. At the back, Xiaomi has incorporated a 48 megapixel AI triple camera setup with an Exmor RS CMOS sensor. The phone comes in cosmic black color with mirror finish. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone, and here is the 2-pin wall charger powered by a 33-watt fast charging facility. So guys, that's all you get inside the Xiaomi Mi 11X 5G.